playing hide and seek. Dust builds up every week. Pebbles piled on the floor. Milk will spill when children pour. Playdates often end in glitter. Why can't cats clean up their litter? Coffee grinds that hit the ground. The cordless hand vacuum to have around. For fast cleanups, take home a Black & Decker cordless hand vacuum. Portable and affordable at your favorite stores from Black & Decker.
Hey guys, I'm here to talk to you today about this really cool car vacuum cleaner. So let's look at how it works and everything inside. So here is the body of the vacuum cleaner, and this is the plug here. As you can see, it's built for charging inside a car where the car lighter is and the electronics outlet is, the plug outlet. As you can see, it comes with 3 little parts here which are built for cleaning the inside of a car. So this is so you can get you can just slot it straight in and I'll show you. Super easy. So once that's in, it's to extend and you can get underneath the seats of the car, down by the pedals, and even in the trunk of the car, and down the sides of the seats. This can then be attached to all of these here, for the ends of the nozzles. This is to get into any small and thin areas, and this here maybe you can use for the dashboard or anything delicate on plastic. Without this, it can all be attached without, like so, if you just want to clean around the car. Also, to empty it, it doesn't have a bag. There's no messing, no fuss. Once it's full and you need to empty it, you simply press this button here and it comes out. You just empty it straight into the dustbin like so. And the on and off switch is here, on, off, really easy to use. It also comes with a bag, so you can just put it all inside, zip it up, put it straight into your trunk of your car or somewhere in the house, kept away and stored nicely. Okay, and to keep everything and the power saved in your car, this is a power saver. Oops. There is a fuse inside here, and this is to ensure that your car battery isn't burnt out while you're using it. So this is one of the best parts of it, and you just simply can put it back in there and save power, and it screws all back together.
This is a tough way of life. Hot, dusty, gritty, wet, at times unforgiving. And it calls for tools that won't let you down. Tools that work hard, take a beating, make you better at the job. When we created VacMaster Professional, there was no blueprint, just our own knowledge and expertise as pros, and a relentless drive to build a better wet-dry vac. More powerful, more functional, faster, quieter, easier, cleaner. VacMaster Professional reinvents the wet-dry vac category. Re-engineered for more suction and speed. Built-in, unrivaled airflow technology. Redesigned from the top down for more convenient use, no matter the task. That's power working in harmony for superior performance. Any job, every mess, mastered.
The suction power it's really good. As far as picking up debris, water, sawdust, concrete dust, we're having a lot of good feedback. A lot of the competitor vacuums, debris tends to get stuck in the hose, and you have to lift the hose to kind of shake it down into the canister. But as using these vacuums, I haven't had that problem or issue one time. I really like the locking mechanism on the hose. A lot of the competitor vacuums, when you pull, the hose comes out and you have to continually go back and hook them back up. So I really like that feature. Other than put studs out for me, no, I don't know. Everything that it should do, it does really well. We'll just put it out there.
It's not enough to be an award-winning or best-in-class line of wet-dry vacs. The VacMaster Professional, HEPA, and B-Series were built to give pros the unmatched power and superior performance the job demands, and we'll never stop building better. VacMaster Professional. Master any mess.